हेलो व्यूअर्स, गुड इवनिंग टू एवरीबॉडी। तो हमारा जैसे पहले बात हुआ था, अभी मैं लैपटॉप का रैम चेंज करने वाला हूँ। तो ये आप सबने देखा था कि दिस वाज द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम अमेजन टुडे। सो आई विल जस्ट फिट इट नाउ। दिस इज Asus TUF gaming laptop. So I will just try to open it up first and then I will start fitting the RAM. So I have the toolkit here with me. So I will just first try to uh, get the screws out. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप लैपटॉप अगर आपका ऑन था बहुत देर से तो उसको आप थोड़ी देर के लिए ऑफ करके छोड़ दो, सो दैट इट कैन कूल डाउन। तो इट विल बी easier फॉर यू टू देन open it and touch the parts, because if it's hot then it won't be a good thing for you to open it. While you are opening it, आप लोगों को ये देखना पड़ेगा कि all the screws are completely removed. Elsewise, if you try to open, it might damage the back cover. So if you are having an warranty and your laptop is within the warranty, if anything that kind of a damage happens, then the company won't be repairing it. They will say we cannot do it because you have hampered the because these kind of physical damages are not repairable. You have to pay for it and warranty goes null and void right away. So you have to be careful on those things, because कभी कभी क्या होता है कि जैसे ये एंगल्स पे जो स्क्रू रहते हैं ना, ये आँख में नहीं आता। हम सोचते हैं कि ओपन हो जाएगा, बट दीज आर द स्मॉल वन, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल विद दीज. We have to be very careful with these screws and make sure you are putting it in a place where it doesn't go away, so that you can get it. Like यहाँ पे देखिए, मेरा जो एक स्क्रू ये छूट गया था, तो ये बाहर नहीं आ रहा था. तो if I would have tried to open the box, then it would have damaged the back side of the laptop. So now I have to open it. See, these are the gaps. These are the lines you will see. These are the fitment lines. It will go through till this rounded corner. So you have to just press a bit to open it here. All the screws removed, so it should be very gentle push, elsewise it might damage the back cover. So you have to be very. These are the speakers for Asus TUF laptops. You see the speakers here, so you have to be very gentle on these ends. Pause करो. So if you have a screw, check this. I am using this kind of a needle just to make sure I have it opened thoroughly. Just see it. This is the narrow ended, जैसे normal screwdriver होता है वैसा है narrow ended. So it will help you just to make the gap. But for the speakers end, you have to be very careful सो दैट एंड आवाज़ आएगा थोड़ा, जैसे हम किसी को टाइटली बंद करते हैं जैसे आवाज़ आता है, तो वैसा आवाज़ आएगा, तो उसमें कोई फिक्र करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. बिकॉज if you take this laptop to any of the vendors just to change the RAM, they will charge you at least 500 rupees for fitment. And company, again, if anything happens, they won't take the guarantee as well, and you will lose the company warranty. So it's better if you can learn it and you can do yourself. So क्या होता है कि अपने हाथ से कुछ भी हो तो we can look for it, we know what have happened. But if someone else breaks it, then you don't know what have happened internally, and you might get fooled by the vendor. So trust me, मैंने ये face किया हुआ है. So that's why I prefer to do everything related to my computers myself. Though I am not studied hardware, I am specifically in software line, but still I try to do these things myself so that it came off. And see, these are the narrow end edges that I was talking about. All these edges are important. These are the edges. So you have to be very careful while removing it. Just use a narrow end screwdriver with just press a little bit, and see, these are the ends that will come up, and you can then continue with getting it up. So all these fittings, right, while fitting in again, you have to make sure all these pressures, these are basically on the chips. So make sure when you are fitting it, you're fitting it right away, it's not overlapping. So if any of these breaks, right, it might cause you an issue. So this is my laptop's internal, if anybody has not seen it. And this is the so this is the laptop, what it looks like, the gaming laptop. If you have Asus gaming laptop, this is so this is the internal side of the laptop. This is battery, and ये है मेरा दूसरा जो रैम लगा हुआ है 8 GB का. वो यहाँ पे आप HDD लगा सकते हो, तो उसके लिए स्पेस दिया हुआ है. ये यहाँ पे है जैक उसका, तो आप नॉर्मल HDD आता है तो उसके साथ ये 2 जैक आता है, तो आप यहाँ पे HDD रखो और सिर्फ कनेक्शन कर दो. बाकी सब कुछ किया हुआ है, आपको कुछ करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. So it would be a very easy fitment. Now I am fitting, this is my RAM, and see, this is the slot. So what I have to do is I have to just insert it. See, this is a sound, and then you just press it on, it's done. So you have inserted your RAM here. So now my RAM was 8 GB, I have just inserted one more 8 GB. So what I would do now, I would just open the laptop, keep it this way. Okay, I will just fit it first. So for fitting, this is the way forward. So now see, these are the gaps, you just have to. So before testing, I would suggest just don't press it too hard. Just for testing, just do it normally, so that after testing only we will make it permanent. So I will not fit the screws now. So I will just try to open the laptop. So I have logged in. Now I go to checking my if RAM is installation is successful. So I will just check it. तो रैम चेक करने का तरीका तो सबको पता ही होगा. आपको माई कंप्यूटर में आप राइट क्लिक करोगे तो वहाँ पे प्रॉपर्टीज़, और प्रॉपर्टीज़ के अंदर सी नाउ इट्स शोइंग 16 GB ऑफ मेमोरी इंस्टॉल्ड. सो माई रैम इज़ नाउ, सी दिस इज़ द 16 GB memory it is showing. So now it is 16 GB. So I have successfully installed RAM, and now if you want to test the performance, what you need to do is open Task Manager. And when you open Task Manager, go to Details, and then go to Performance. Here you will see in memory, you will see 16 GB memory is installed. and see my currently in use is 3.6 GB and available is 12 GB. So my computer now will be operating very fast. So we have successfully installed RAM now and I guess my gaming performance will increase. So if you can see, आप लोग देख सकते हो कि मेरे डेस्कटॉप पे कितने गेम्स हैं, और ये जो वीडियोस है उसके रेंडरिंग के लिए मैं साइबरलिंक पावर डायरेक्टर यूज़ करता हूँ. तो दैट ऑल्सो रिक्वायर समवट स्पीड अप. सो इसीलिए मैंने और रैम लगवाया ताकि वीडियो रेंडरिंग और फास्ट हो सके. सो दैट इज़ अ now what I need to do is I will just shut it down, and what I will do is I will tie the back end up so that everything is now tied up properly. I will do one more video for properly paying FIFA 20, some more tutorials on it, because many people ask for that. So what I will do now, see my laptop is completely shut down now. So now I will start the fitment process. So याद रखना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है क्योंकि मैं खुद भूल जाता हूँ कि कौन सा स्क्रू कहाँ पे था. So ये याद रखना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, नहीं तो क्या होता है ना कि बाद में मैंने सारे एंड्स जो है वो नाइसली बंद कर दिया. तो अगर कहीं पे भी आपका स्क्रू फिट नहीं बैठता है तो आप समझ लेना कि वहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत गैप है. मैंने सारा एंड तो बंद कर दिया, अब देखते हैं सारा स्क्रूज प्रॉपरली बैठता है या नहीं. सो मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा आपका जो स्मॉल स्क्रूज थे उससे, so that the fitment is easier. Make sure you tie up the these ends properly, because क्या होता है ना, कभी कभी अगर आप लूज एंड्स छोड़ देते हो तो it might, सॉरी मैं गलत सेट यूज़ कर रहा था तो इसी वजह से दिक्कत हो रहा था. So now it will be properly fitted. So don't make it too hard on the screws, because ज़्यादा टाइट करना भी ज़रूरी नहीं है, आपका बैग खोल के नहीं आने वाला. तो just make it gentle so that you don't damage the sides. तो मैंने इसलिए बोल रहा था कि आप these ends you fit first, because once you fit the center one and these ends, so see how fast I am now fitting the longer ones. So क्या होता है कि एक एंड आपका टाई अप हो गया और सेंटर में प्रेशर बैठ गया, so then it is easier for you to fit the rest of the screws, so it is much faster. So I have plans for fitting one SSD as well, sorry HDD as well. So if when I will fit it, I will share that video also to everybody, so that people can know how to fit it and how to make use of that. सबके पास तो टूल किट होता है, ये नॉर्मल स्क्रू ड्राइवर और नैरो एंड स्क्रू ड्राइवर सबके पास ही होता है तो घर पे, तो उससे आप ये सब काम कर सकते हो. There's no need for it to take the laptop to any vendor or something. Just you need to make sure whenever you are ordering the product, RAM or hard disk or anything, just to make sure that the frequency of your RAM or hard disk supports your laptop's current processing speed and frequency. So अगर frequency support नहीं करेगा तो then it might be problem, and if you unbox it and then try to fit it, you might not be able to return the product as well, because these electronic products sometimes if it is not working then you have to get to the company and ask for the replacement. So that is the thing. So here I have fitted it. So now I will again start it once and show you everybody that this thing is working. Yes, so RAM is fitted properly. I can see 16 GB operative and 15.8 GB always usage memory, usable memory. So I'm done today. Now proper testing of this would be done by when I will start something video rendering or gameplay. So I am done now. लैपटॉप तो रेडी हो गया अभी. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर मोर दिस काइंड ऑफ अपडेट्स, एंड I will share the product details with you, so if you, and the laptop details as well. So if you are using any frequency of laptops that I am using, so you can buy this RAM. This is basically a very good product and I have gotten it for a discount. So if you have the Amazon Prime membership as well, you can buy it on a lesser price as well. So I will give the product details in the description box, so it will be helpful for everybody. And thank you for watching. Good day and good night.